guys, welcome back to Sick the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. So first thing you have to do is open up your Snapchat app. Once you open it up, you look above your screen, you see your profile, you click on your profile, and once you click on your profile, you're going to scroll down. And before you do this method, make sure your location is being turned on. So you scroll down and you see snap map. So once you click on snap map, you click on that and make sure your ghost mode is on. It's off, I mean to say. So here you can see the different people nearby you with the bitmoji. Once you click on them, you're going to see them. You're going to see them immediately. So and you can just add them. So another method of actually adding friends on Snapchat, nearby friends, is by going back. Okay, you click on your profile again, and you're going to scroll down and you see where it says add friends. So you click on add friends and you're going to see friends from your contacts, friends nearby you, friends of friends, and people you don't even know have their numbers. So right here, and you can just pick and add them. Right. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get my tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.